Welcome to Reviewsinside TV, where we bring you in-depth, unbiased reviews of products to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're looking at a commercial-grade powerhouse, the Waring Commercial TBB145P6 TORQ 2 horsepower blender. Designed for high-performance blending, this blender promises quick, efficient results, whether you're making margaritas, smoothies, or other blended treats. But does it deliver on those promises in a real-world kitchen or bar setting? Let's see what this blender is all about. The Waring TBB145P6 is a professional-grade blender built to withstand the demands of high-volume environments. Equipped with a powerful 2-horsepower motor, it's capable of reaching up to 24,000 RPM, giving you the blending speed and efficiency you'd expect in a commercial setting. Whether you're blending ice, frozen fruits, or other dense ingredients, this machine promises smooth results in seconds. The motor's 2-speed toggle switch controls allow you to adjust the blending speed for different tasks, from making smoothies to crushing ice. One of the standout features of the TBB145P6 is its 64-ounce BPA-free copolyester container. The container is not only large enough for bulk preparation, but also stackable for efficient storage. It's made of durable material designed to withstand heavy use while maintaining clarity for easy monitoring. Additionally, the drive coupling is stainless steel and user-replaceable, adding to the blender's longevity and making repairs more manageable. Now let's get into real-world testing. I spent a week using the Waring TBB145P6 in various settings. From making smoothies and protein shakes to blending margaritas for a get-together, this blender stood up to the challenge. I started with a basic test, blending 3 16-ounce margaritas. The blender did it in under 8 seconds. Impressive. The high-powered motor sliced through the ice with ease, delivering a smooth texture every time. Whether I was making a batch of frozen margaritas, smoothies, or smoothies with frozen fruits, the TBB145P6 showed its ability to perform at high speeds without stuttering or overloading. The 2-speed toggle switch was intuitive to use and helped me adjust the blender's performance based on the ingredients. Where the blender did fall short, though, was in noise level. While I wouldn't necessarily call it unbearable, it's definitely loud, especially when blending at max speed. This could be a consideration for anyone using it in an environment where noise is a concern, like a small kitchen or home bar. It's built for commercial spaces, so the sound is expected, but it's something to keep in mind if you're sensitive to noise. When it comes to ease of use, the Waring TBB145P6 does not disappoint. The toggle switch is simple, and the jar is easy to secure and remove. The container design also minimizes spills during operation, even at high speeds. As for cleaning, the parts are easy to disassemble, and the jar can be washed by hand or in the dishwasher. The stainless steel coupling is also designed for durability and long-term performance. However, the size of the jar can make cleaning a bit cumbersome in small dishwashers. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. Starting with the positives, this blender is built for performance. The 2-horsepower motor ensures that it can handle tough ingredients without breaking a sweat. The 64-ounce jar is a great size for both personal use and small to medium commercial use. The high speed and efficiency are standout features, making quick work of any task. It's also solidly built with stainless steel parts, meaning it's going to last you a long time with proper care. On the flip side, the blender is on the loud side, something that may be an issue in quieter environments. It's also quite bulky, which could be an issue for those with limited counter space. While the price reflects its high quality and performance, it may be outside the budget for home users who don't need commercial-level blending power. So, is it worth the price? The Waring TBB145P6 TORQ blender isn't cheap, but when you look at its performance and durability, it's clear that it offers excellent value for money, especially if you need a high-performance blender for a commercial kitchen, smoothie bar, or restaurant. It's a significant investment, but it's built to last and can handle large quantities quickly, making it ideal for high-demand environments. When you compare it to other commercial blenders, it holds its ground in terms of power and speed. For example, the Blendtec Commercial blender is in a similar price range, but the Waring stands out with its replaceable drive coupling and slightly higher motor power. In terms of build quality, this blender is rock solid. The stainless steel components are designed to last, and the overall construction feels durable and reliable. However, given its commercial-grade nature, it's best suited for settings where frequent, heavy use is expected. If you're looking for a blender for occasional home use, you might want to consider other options. That said, if you're running a small cafe or a busy kitchen, this machine will stand up to the test of time. The customer service for Waring is generally well regarded, but I didn't need to contact them for this particular review. The brand has a reputation for high-quality products, and with a machine this durable, it's unlikely you'll need to call them unless something goes wrong. If you're in the market for a heavy-duty blender and you're tired of wasting time with lower-powered models, the Waring Commercial TBB145P6 is an excellent choice. Its performance is top-notch, especially for those who need to quickly blend large quantities. The only real downsides are its noise level and its size, which might not suit every environment. To wrap things up, the Waring TBB145P6 is an impressive, reliable blender that stands out for its power, durability, and efficiency. It's definitely not the cheapest option, but for those who need commercial-grade performance, it's well worth the investment. Whether you're running a business or you're just looking for a blender that can handle the toughest tasks without breaking down, the TBB145P6 is a solid option. Thank you for watching. If you've got any questions or thoughts about the Waring TBB145P6, or if you've used it yourself, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next review. The link to grab the Waring TBB145P6 is in the comments box below. Goodbye till next time, blending your way to success with Reviews Inside TV.